We moved here in July 1987, so almost 36 years ago. With the extension, we had modern-looking windows, so nothing really matched, and we felt that the time had come to replace everything, and the idea was to do it all in one go, really. My wife, she visited Burgess Windows showroom in Woodbridge and was very taken with what she saw, and equally taken with the personnel as well. There was a very wide choice of make and style of windows. The colour scheme was very easily managed and matched very well to the colour that we have on the walls and the rest of the paintwork in the house. We had the surveyor visited first to measure up. When the team arrived, we had two excellent craftsmen. We sort of hardly knew they were here, really. We found the Burgess Group excellent to deal with. They foresaw no problems at all in fitting the windows, whereas we perhaps were a little bit sceptical about how they would manage some of the more difficult positions in the old part of the house. Nothing was too much trouble. We got on extremely well. All the people we met, from Edward down through the surveyor and the fitters, were all extremely professional. Everything has been perfect, really, since installation, and in general, it was a marvellous job all round.